G'day all, Tubby here and welcome back to Campertrailering. This video today features the beautiful spot of Halls Gap and our base camp for these next few days is the beautiful Lakeside Tourist Park. Although a little gloomy today, Halls Gap is a fantastic place to come and visit. This place we're at today and next few days also has plethora of wildlife, which we'll get into throughout the video.
The Caravan Park is set up well. The toilet facilities very clean.
It's like
very
5
nice.
star, isn't it?
Oh, it's just great. Cooking facilities great. There's an area where you can sit down and watch telly for the kids or yourself. There's 2 TVs there.
Yep.
A few bench seats. There's a barbecue set up. There's a Wi-Fi hub just behind us.
Yeah, pretty good
Over
Wi-Fi.
here to my right, they've got coffee first thing in the morning.
Show you around here, so down here, a little bit of a coffee window and come down facilities here. Thank you. McDaddy's down here grabbing the coffees for us.
Single shot cap.
And skinny one will be mine.
Skinny one, girly one, that's
Yep.
yours.
And we see a nice little coffee little shop here. It's open until 11 o'clock every day. Really good feature of this little spot, isn't it? What do you reckon?
It is. Yeah, it's been very good.
Yeah,
The people are coming and going, which is quite good.
as you can see, yeah. Big flow of people. It's very, very popular, this spot. As I wander around through this park here, you can see some of the fantastic facilities here. Goes on just a quick one as I'm wandering around through this park here. You can see some of the fantastic facilities here. We've got little individual units on the right here, and down ahead of me you can see the wonderful bluff up in front of us, part of Halls Gap, which is one of the areas it's renowned for. Inside the park here you can see some people are well spread out. Great sites. These are all the powered ones. There's a choice of sites as well. We're just going to head down to the kitchen entertaining area, the little ground. Here we go, just heading down to the camp kitchen and a bit of a look around in there. There we go, first thing we come across, taking it easy like usual, is McDaddy and Blue. What's going on, McDaddy?
2 more videos have gone up this morning. So.
2 more going up, nice.
Yep, I'm just finishing posting them up.
Sweet. How are you, Glint? What are you doing? Nice, so this is the really well set out kitchen relaxing area here. I was actually through here last night, about 4 o'clock in the morning. I was out for my old man's evening constitutional. We don't need to know any more about that. And about here, we noticed a little friendly possum that was sitting here quite happy to say hello. The wildlife around here is very used to people. They don't encourage you feeding them, and saying that, they're more than happy wandering around. So if you don't want your food missing, shut your bags up. Cockatoos love to get into them, and they will very readily get into them. And just down here to the right, you can see Shadow McDaddy and Shadow Tubsta at the back here. This is our 2 campsites we've set up as our base camp for the next few days, as I was mentioning earlier. Very happy with the setup. Of course, we wouldn't be putting up all our annexes and all the rest of it if we were just staying for a day or so. But for the next few days, well worth the extra comfort. Some of the locals around here. A bit of a tidbit. you.